Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing a lean environment. Create a virtualenv, activate it, and install OpenCV and NumPy. Choose dlib or MediaPipe if you need landmarks. Once done, download a HAR Cascade XML or a lightweight pre-trained model and put it beside your script. Now open your IDE and import CV2 and NumPy. Write code to load the Cascade with CV2. Cascade classifier, HAR Cascade frontal face default. XML. This first step gets file access and dependencies ready so detection can run. You now capture frames and run detection in real time. Start CV2. Video capture, 0 and verify the stream, read frames in a loop and convert each to grayscale because many detectors run faster on single-channel images. Then call detect multi-scale with sensible params, scale factor around 1, 1, 1, 3 and min neighbors near 5, to balance recall and false positives. Once faces are returned, you draw rectangles or compute landmarks. Make sure to resize frames to maintain speed without losing detection reliability. You finish by refining outputs and adding persistence. Apply non-max suppression or filter by confidence to remove duplicate boxes, then crop detected faces and save them with CV2. Write, optionally tagging by timestamp. For performance, consider threading the capture or resizing frames. For accuracy, swap HAR for a DNN or MediaPipe face detector. If things go wrong, make sure your cascade path is correct, tweak scale factor /min neighbors, or switch models. That single troubleshooting tip usually.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.